Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak fajitas. First, select a good cut of beef like flank or skirt steak, which are excellent choices for fajitas. Next, prepare a flavorful marinade to tenderize the meat and infuse it with delicious spices. While the steak marinates, slice your fresh vegetables. Finally, cook the steak and vegetables quickly over high heat to achieve that perfect sizzle and tender crisp texture. For truly delicious fajitas, choose flank or skirt steak, known for absorbing marinades well. Slice the steak against the grain into thin strips, about 1/2 inch wide, to ensure tenderness. Marinate the steak for a minimum of 30 minutes or up to 8 hours, allowing the flavors to deeply penetrate. When ready to cook, sear the steak quickly in a hot skillet over medium-high heat until it reaches your desired doneness, typically about 4 minutes total for medium rare. Now let's prepare the vegetables. Slice your bell peppers and onions into uniform strips, ensuring they cook evenly. Heat a large cast iron skillet over medium-high heat with a bit of oil. Add the onions first, cooking for 2 to 3 minutes until slightly browned, then add the bell peppers. Sauté them for about 5 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are tender crisp and slightly charred. Season with your favorite fajita spices for a burst of flavor. To complete your fajita experience, warm your tortillas in a dry skillet or microwave until pliable. This makes them easier to roll. Arrange your cooked steak and sizzling vegetables on a platter or directly in the skillet. Provide an array of fresh toppings such as salsa, guacamole, sour cream, and shredded cheese. Serve your homemade steak fajitas immediately, allowing everyone to build their own delicious creations. Enjoy this flavorful meal with your loved ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.